This Coldwell Banker Advantage property video is presented by Deb Kawleski. This Lake Camelot Access home is within walking distance of Camelot Lodge. The split bedrooms on the main level make it perfect for when family visits. Large kitchen with island and plenty of cabinet space. Main floor laundry. Large 30 by 30 gattached garage with plenty of space for your toys. Extra storage in garage also. 9 feet ceilings with a gas fireplace in the living room with plenty of windows for natural light. Covered patio, fire pit to enjoy family time. There is a sandpoint well for watering the grass. Check this one out today. Come and enjoy all that Rome has to offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Deb Kawleski at 715-340